Alright ladies, if you are looking for a quick and simple, gorgeous but affordable winter look, then look no further. In today's video, I'm going to be installing and styling this beautiful unit, and I'll also show you how quick and easy it is for anyone to do it. So, if you want to see how I achieved this beautiful look, then please continue to watch. Alright ladies, let's get into it. This is our hair. It is by Klaiyi. I think that's how you say it. I can never get their name right, but I can always get their quality right, okay? Anyway, this is our box. We always get a few goodies in the bags. I don't know what comes with everybody's hair, but this is what came with my hair. So let's get into the real reason we're here. Alright y'all, this is our hair. This is beautiful. It's really beautiful, and you're about to see what I'm talking about. Let's go ahead and get it out of the bag. This is always my favorite part. It's almost like Christmas. Always like Christmas. Look at that. The great thing about this hair is that it's not silk. It's not silky, y'all. It's bone straight, but it's not silk. It's actually yaki straight. So this mimics your natural hair if you were to flat iron it. And again, I'll show you that in a second. Another great thing about the hair is that it's already plugged, as you can see there. Look at that parting. It looks so beautiful. And then the frontal has already been cut, as you can see here. And I love the fact that it's not cut straight across. It's actually zigzag. And another thing is the hairline. The hairline is beautifully and simply pushed back so it doesn't look super full and super fake. All right, let's get into some of the housekeeping stuff. All right, so we have all your regular clips and headbands to secure the hair. So you have the big clip in the back there, you have the headband to adjust it, and then you have all of your clips everywhere. Okay, this part is mesmerizing. I love it, but I'll show you guys more about that. But let's get into installing the hair. All right, so I have my hair in braids. Let's go ahead and try the hair on before we do anything. All right, if you have a big head like myself, or your head is smaller, don't you worry, this can be fit to anyone's size. So you guys know that before I put my wigs on, I like to match it to my scalp. So all I do is I grab my foundation, grab my brush, and put a little bit of foundation on it. I find this easy to do because, again, you can just add the foundation, rub it in with your brush, and it matches. And especially if you're using your own foundation, like the foundation that matches your complexion, it makes it blend so well. So this can be customized for everyone. So the wig comes as it comes, and then you can just customize it by using your own shade of foundation. So see how it already looks like it matches my skin? Let's go ahead and put it on and try it on. All right, so this is what the hair looks like. Beautiful. And I have my mirror there sitting in front of me. That's what I'm looking down at to just make sure that everything is adjusting right. As you can see there, I did put a little bit of foundation on my hair, but that's an easy fix. I'm just gonna rub that off a little later. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like without me doing anything at all. This wig can get bone straight, and when I say silky straight, it can get super straight, but the great part is that it actually looks natural because it's not silk. It's not silky. It's not like, it matches the natural hair. This is made for those of us who actually have natural hair. So yeah, this is what the wig looks like. It's super full. I love the density. I love the length. I will leave all of the information about this hair in the description box, so don't worry about that. If you watched the video and you want to order one of these, just check out the description box. I'll leave everything there, the length, the color, the texture, everything. I'll leave it there. And I'll also leave a discount code for my viewers only to be able to purchase the hair if this is something you want. And if I didn't already say it, this is also a glueless wig. This is a real actual glueless wig. So that means you don't have to sew it down or glue it down. For those of you who like to glue your hair down, that's okay as well. But for those of you who don't know how to glue the hair down, this is perfect for you because all you have to do is grab your hair, put it on, adjust it to your head size, and keep it moving. And it has all of the clips and bends to keep it secure. So what I'm doing now is I'm just going through with my flat iron to try to get all of those waviness and kinks out of the hair to make it more straight like it's supposed to be. So this is a very easy process. Again, you don't need to be a professional to do this. It's very simple. The reason I really like this hair too is that because it is the yaki texture, it doesn't get all fuzzy and frizzy. I don't know if you guys know what I'm talking about, but with the actual straight hair that comes like the Indian hair or whatever, after a while it starts to get frizzy and it doesn't look right. It just doesn't match our natural hair. This hair does not do that. It mimics the natural hair, so it stays how it's supposed to stay. It does its thing. All right. So anyway, after flat ironing it a little bit and brushing through it, I'm going to go ahead and further style the hair. As you can see there, it fits my head very well. I have to go through and flat iron it and style it a little more, but it fits my head very well. And it also blends with my scalp, and it also looks like it's glued down or something, but that's just the lace. And as you can see, I'm pulling on it. That's just the lace, y'all. There's no glue. So this is truly a glueless wig. So this is not a full lace. This is a partial lace. So what I'm doing here is I'm creating a little bit of swoop in the front. I'm not going to touch anything on the lace itself because it just looks so natural, and I love the way it's plugged to be pushed back away from the hairline. It gives it that natural look. So I'm going to create a little bit of swoop on the side of the hair to just give it a little more pizzazz, okay? And if you're gonna use glue, I would suggest using the Got To Be glue spray, because that is super easy to take off at night. You just use a little bit of water, spray water on it, or take a wet towel and just dab it across the perimeter of your hair where the glue is, and it comes right off. And again, I'm going to be using my elastic band that was provided by the company. Again, I don't use the Velcro because I don't think the Velcro is tight enough. So I usually tie it down, as you see there. I usually tie it down to make it super tight. Yeah, I just feel like this way it's much tighter and it's much more secure, and it can cook my baby hair better. So anyway, now that my baby hairs are cooking, I'm going to go back in again with the flat iron to give it more of a straight up look, and to just play with it a little more, comb it back, brush it back, just to do its thing. All right, family, after I do this, I'm actually going to go ahead and get dressed and come back and finish up the look. All right, family, we are back. So I'm fully dressed. I don't know if I told you all this, but I'm going out. So I have my outfit on. It is cold. It's snowing where I am. I don't know what the weather is where you are. Please comment down below what the weather is, but it's snowing where I am. But that does not stop the show, okay? I'm going to wear a coat. All right. So anyway, putting my earrings on, I finished up my makeup. I got all of my jewelry on. I don't do too much these days with my jewelry. I just like simple pieces, simple staple pieces, and I'm good to go. But yeah, I'm going back in and just perfecting that part, perfecting the straightness of my hair, and just making it look as good as possible. And yeah, family, I took the band off. Look at that. That is the reason I created that side swoop, because look how beautiful that is. It is just gorgeous, and it's so simple to do. And see how movable the hair is? The hair is very full, it's very dense, and it moves around. It's not stiff. It's not stiff at all. I love that. And oh my goodness, look how much the lace melts into your scalp. Now you can put curls in this hair. You can braid down some of the front, because as you can see there, the part goes all the way back. You can hold some of it up. Like, you can do a lot of styles with this hair. You can braid the whole thing down like a Rapunzel type thing. It's just really, really nice. And the great part is that it's simple to do. Not only that, it's glueless. So I have my baby hairs laying down right now. Otherwise, I would have lifted the hair so you can see that it's glueless. Again, you can use glue, but if you are going to use glue, I highly recommend the Got To Be glue. It doesn't mess up your lace. It doesn't encourage buildup, and it also looks much more cleaner and nicer when you take your hair off and put it back, take it off and put it back. You don't have to do much, and it also saves your edges. So those are some of the reasons I love glueless wigs. And yeah, family, this is what the hair looks like. This is the unit I was wearing in my last 2 videos, and a lot of you really loved it. So I decided to do the video to just answer all of you at once, to let you know this is the hair. I got it from Klaiyi hair. I'll leave the name, the description, the style, the texture, everything in the description box. All right, family, that is it for today's video, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment your favorite part. If you have any questions at all for me, please go ahead and leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to answer them, whether it's about the hair or anything else in the video. All right, family? And don't forget to check out the description box. As I said, I'm going to have a discount code for my viewers only. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.